The leading Oxford's coronavirus vaccine testing hiccup is a setback for people eagerly waiting for the vaccine. However, the company and experts say that this is a normal thing which sometimes happens during trials. Also, other potential vaccines are also showing promising results, including our own Covaxin, which is likely to roll out by early 2021. Also, the Moderna vaccine has started showing promising results.
It looks like end of pandemic is not happening and vaccine is the only solution. The frontrunner in global coronavirus vaccine developed by University of Oxford and AstraZeneca has suffered a major blow during human clinical trial after a volunteer fell sick. Even Russia's Sputnik V is also caught up in controversy. However, there are also other vaccines which have shown potential to trigger immune response to fight against the deadly virus. Here are the details. India's first indigenous vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR. Covaxin pushes to speedy trials and it is now in the middle of mid-scale testing. Experts say if all goes well, India could see millions of doses ready by early 2021. Vaccine delivers safe and positive results, creates a good immune response and no critical side effects. AIIMS announced that phase 2 trials of Covaxin will get over by October. Early results indicate that the vaccine is better placed, safer than Sputnik V. Covaxin may be launched in early 2021, says AIIMS. Moderna, just like Oxford, is undergoing critical phase 3 trials of its vaccine. Vaccine delivers little to no side effects for the elderly population, making it so far safe to use. The vaccine is made using a novel mRNA technology. Works by eliciting an immune response, spiking antibodies in the body. Sinovac Biotech Limited. The vaccine is in phase 3 trials in Brazil, Mexico and Saudi Arabia. The governor of Brazil, Sao Paulo state said, phase 3 clinical trials are underway. Response is safe. Vaccine might be available to public by early December. It delivered 98% immune response in the elderly. Sputnik V. Russia's much-talked vaccine is once again surrounded with controversy as authorities get ready to roll out doses in the first phase. Eminent Russian doctors written to the country's medical boards that they found discrepancies in the vaccine data. As many as 26 doctors and scientists have signed an open letter questioning the reliability of the data presented in the early stage of trial results. Oxford's and AstraZeneca's vaccine. Large-scale phase 3 trials temporarily halted few days back after one of the volunteers developed neurological complications due to an unexplained reason. Phase 2 and Phase 3 in India were also paused after Serum Institute of India received a show-cause notice. AstraZeneca said they are researching whether the adverse reaction was because of the vaccine or something else. There is no evidence to suggest that the patient's neurological problems were mainly because of vaccine or something else. The observations are still under study by the Vaccine Safety and Regulatory Board, and discovery of such major side effects right now is quite alarming. Samip Narvekar for Guwahati 365.